Love your Facebook ads. What do I mean? Facebook ads are one of the things we could call a masculine system that could bring more ease and support to our business. And it doesn't mean we can just run ads and everything will work out. No way. I'm sorry to disappoint you. But on the other hand, I see so many entrepreneurs, and mostly female. That's strange, but it's like that. And I would be happy if you tell me it's not only women, but that the women, the business owners that have amazing communities, amazing visions and mission, and create really change in the world of their clients, in their own, doesn't matter, but that still rely on organic reach. And if they use ads, it's not planned. It's in such a way that it doesn't work. Or they feel it doesn't work because it maybe didn't have the strategy behind it, the intention behind it. Because even with Facebook ads, I still teach my clients to connect energy and strategy. It's not only about creating ads in such a way that it makes sense, but it's a magic behind it that I am teaching my clients to do that support the work of the ads in the quantum field. So it's really magical. But in the first stage, we need to really learn to love our Facebook ads and know what they can bring us. Instead of posting every day, doing reels twice per day maybe, and still feeling frustrated about the lack of reach, lack of followers, or lack of sales, that I think is most important, we can build our business in such a way that Facebook ads are a part of it, and they support it, and we love them. You know, as I was in Valencia last week, for the entire week, I had my ads running for my global business and for my Czech business, and it felt so amazing. I didn't have to open my computer once, not even once. For 10 days, it was closed and not utilized and not needed, because I had ads that supported me. I had a strategy behind it. I love my Facebook ads. And I know that ads aren't for anybody. That's just true. Somebody won't ever use them, and it's okay. But why I'm sharing it with you is that I want our decision being not only from lack of information, but we need our decision in business made as a CEOs. We need to know about everything and then listen to our heart, and the heart will guide us and tell us, now you run ads, or no, ads aren't for you, do organic, or do Pinterest, or do YouTube. And that's the amazing part. That's why we need to know about it. And in my upcoming masterclass, I won't share about ads, but I will share with you how you can reach deep down in your soul and find the business design that is for you. This way, we can always build our business that is completely aligned with what we are here to do and how we are here to do it. For somebody, it will be systems and ads, because the automations will be vital for that woman. And for the other one, it will be speaking events and networking events and connections. Each of us is different. So stop putting yourself in a box. Try and find out more about ads, and I will be here for you for that. And mostly about your business design. And join me in my masterclass that is on Wednesday, I think it's 29th, at 7 p.m. set Central European time. And let's find out how I can support you in building the business that will grow with you and that will bring everything you need in your life and in the life of your clients. My name is Poli, and I'm so excited that you're here with me. I'm a holistic business architect and energy healer, and this combination really gives me the opportunity and everything that I know to share it with you in such a way that it's not only information, it's always the information you need to know. So if you want more inspiration, more sharing, follow me and see you next time. But I hope we will see each other on my masterclass. I will share the link below and see you there.